Planning a trip to Jamaica and wondering what to pack? Well, packing for Jamaica isn't just about style. It's about comfort and respect for the island's cultural norms. Here's a quick guide on the types of clothing to pack for this Caribbean paradise. First off, lightweight fabrics are your best friends. Jamaica's tropical climate calls for breathable materials like cotton or linen that allow for air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable in the island's warm temperatures. Casual wear is widely accepted given the relaxed atmosphere. Men can opt for light shirts, shorts, or comfortable trousers, while women might choose sundresses, skirts, or shorts with a light blouse. Beach time is a must in Jamaica. Don't forget to pack your swimsuits, cover-ups, and flip-flops. However, keep in mind that while bikinis are acceptable on the beaches, it might be more appropriate to wear modest swimwear in other areas. When the sun sets and the evening calls, smart casual attire is the way to go. Men, think collared shirts and trousers. Women, consider summer dresses or elegant tops with skirts or trousers, especially if you're heading to upscale restaurants or resorts. It's important to respect local norms no matter where you travel. In Jamaica, avoid overly revealing clothing in traditional or rural areas. And remember, some attractions, especially religious ones, may have specific dress requirements, like covered shoulders or longer skirts/pants. Footwear is another essential element. Jamaica's varied terrain, from sandy beaches to lush mountains, calls for a variety of footwear. Sandals or flip-flops are perfect for the beach, while comfortable walking shoes or sneakers are ideal for exploring and hiking. Finally, don't forget to pack essential accessories like sunglasses, hats, and sunscreen. These items not only add to your comfort, but also protect against the strong Caribbean sun. In conclusion, packing for Jamaica is a balance of comfort, style, and respect for local culture. So pack light, dress appropriately, and get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and stunning beauty of this Caribbean paradise. Safe travels!